And this here is where we can customize the look and the feel of your chatbot. From the brand colors to the name of the AI, you can make the changes here with just a few clicks. And if we scroll down, we can see a few of our advanced options. For example, we have the auto engage so that your bot starts the conversation automatically. We also have the help link, and you can use this to provide links, videos, contact information, or any other information that you want to be available at just one click. After that, we also have sample prompts. So these here are a good way to inform your users about the types of questions they can ask the AI. Now, most users are used to other chatbots that just provide canned responses. So inspire them to engage with your AI in more depth by providing some sample prompts that they can use. And these simple tweaks here can help guide users and create a polished experience. And if you are looking for more tips on branding and user engagement strategies, you can check the help article below this video.